how to stretch a video in CapCut PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily create a stretching video on CapCut. So first thing what you might want to do is just head over to your CapCut application and make sure you have imported certain videos over here from any of your desktop. And once you drag and drop your video over here, so to stretch the video, first thing what you need to do is just select the video. So once you select your video, make sure you have selected the whole video. So once you're inside here, you can just see or click on this video section from the top right corner of your screen, and under this editing section you should see something like uniform scale. So you can basically click on this drop down menu over here to view certain options if it's not visible to you. So as you can see, there is an option that is uniform scale, so you can basically disable it from over here, and then you will get the official option where you can manually increase or decrease just stretch the videos by simply increasing or decreasing the height as well as width of the particular video, just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.